Àṣírí bí babaláwo ṣe ní kí Yeye Kudi jáwọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Justice for Mohbad ti tú o. Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wáyé nígbà tí Yeye Kudi sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ohun tójú ẹ̀ rí nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Justice for Mohbad. Ó ṣàlàyé o bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe fi ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀dọ́ olórin náà tó dolóògbé pawó sápò ara wọn dípò kí wọ́n wá ìdájọ́ fún un. Yeye Kudi ṣàlàyé àwọn tó ń parọ́ pé àwọn làwọn jẹ́ kí àwọn fi ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad lẹ̀ tí wọ́n lọ sanwó fún àwọn newspaper kan tán láwọn gbé ìgbésẹ̀ kan ló fà á tí Yeye Kudi fi ní láti jáwọ́. Báwo lọ̀rọ̀ ṣe jẹ́ gangan? Kódà Yeye Kudi ṣàlàyé bí arákùnrin kan ṣe lóun gbé ìgbésẹ̀. Gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí jáde nígbà tí Yeye Kudi ń ṣàlàyé ìbáṣepọ̀ tí wọ́n ní pẹ̀lú arákùnrin kan tó ń pè ní Lata, tóun náà sì jẹ́ ọ̀kan lára àwọn tí ó ń ké tantan fún Justice for Mohbad, àti bí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan ṣe jẹyọ nípa ẹ̀ tí àwọn èèyàn kan ka ẹ̀sùn oríṣiríṣi sí i lẹ́sẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀sùn tó lágbára ni, ẹ̀sùn tó ba orúkọ ẹ̀ jẹ́ gidi gan. Gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́gbọ́n nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ṣùgbọ́n ṣé Justice for Mohbad yìí ṣó máa wáyé, ṣó máa pàpà wáyé, ṣé wọ́n máa pàpà rí ìdájọ́ fún Mohbad olóògbé? Nínú fọ́nrán yìí náà ni Yeye Kudi ti sọ ìdí tó ṣe jẹ́ wípé ó ṣeé ṣe o kí justice má wà fún Mohbad. Ó sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, ó sọ lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́. Kí ni Yeye Kudi sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Lata àti àwọn ẹ̀sùn tí wọ́n fi kàn án? Báwo lọ̀rọ̀ náà ṣe wá ta mọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ Justice for Mohbad? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Lata tó jẹ́ family friend fún Yeye Kudi lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Justice for Mohbad? Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tí Yeye Kudi sọ lórí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Welcome to CrossBlog X TV. Remember to like, share, and follow us.
The only thing I felt I could do out of all this story, the first thing I did, I told the person, I said, come with me to TikTok. All of you, Lady Ryan, K Crown, Lagata, all of you, I want you, all of you, off my moderator. I don't want to have anything to do with anybody in that. You people are saying you are doing justice for Mohbad, and then Shera Darada. Yeah. I removed all of them from my justice for Mohbad. I didn't bother to go and ask Lagata anything. I didn't bother. 2 days later, which was yesterday, there's bank holiday in this country. I don't saw Team Wumi them. They now start sharing, you know, this useless newspaper that they always go and pay 10,000 naira, 2,000 naira. They now put Lagata holding this picture there. Then they said one that their native doctor, what's his name? The one that is boasting up and down saying that he has made me leave justice for Mohbad. That he has, I'm among the people he has made to leave justice for Mohbad. I really wish it's because of them I chose. I bet if they say that about me, they should say that about Brekete. You understand? I'm not a nuisance. I believe it's only nuisance that will just be sitting down and be talking about rubbish. I shouldn't be coming out and just be talking for the sake of talking. I shouldn't be coming out and be using justice for Mohbad to be making money, to be begging for money, to be eating. I shouldn't be using the death of a child that can give birth to be doing rather, to stay in Nigeria and be telling people from abroad to be sending money like this. That native doctor that they said is happy that I'm one of the people he has made not is brought down. Bring wood down. I just chose to walk away from irritants, people that on a normal day, the guy, I learned the guy is 30-something years old. So this particular guy is the one that went to pay a paper network. I don't know the useless paper. You know, this their useless thing. Team Wumi them always do. They will just go and pay 500 naira to hungry journalists. Then they will just put it. They carry the boy picture, put it. I read it and I will try and read it now.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lágbára o.
You understand?
Ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad yìí ṣé wọ́n máa pàpà lè rí ìdájọ́ fún Mohbad pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn tó ti ti ẹnu bọ ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad tí wọ́n láwọn wá ìdájọ́ fún Mohbad. ẹ gbóhùn lẹ́nu Yeye Kudi.
As in somebody that I invited for my birthday, and he bought tickets, came that day, he graced the occasion. He stood like a younger brother. You would think I know Lagata before now. He mixed up with my siblings, with my husband, with my children. He was so free. In fact, by the time we knew it, he's gone to school with my in-laws sister, as in he and my in-law, one of them, my husband's niece, cousin, they were classmates. So it's such a very small world. It's a very small world. So I said, me seeing him on the tabloid, like all this rubbish they wrote about him taking nudes of people. I said, I called him. I put a call across to him, which is a bank holiday yesterday. I put a call across to him. And when I put a call across to him, he did not pick that call. And you know what my mind told me? It was bank holiday yesterday, remember? I said, he must have done something bad. This one, he didn't pick my call. Because to God be the glory. After my party, Lagata have only spoken to me once. And what is the reason? His reason was that he forgot his Gucci slippers, his Polo Ralph shirt. He forgot it in the hotel. And he called me from the airport or after he landed in London also and said, oh, that he has forgotten his slippers, that if I can, I should help him get it. You understand? And I said, no problem. Not to worry. I'll get. The only thing is, you call the hotel and tell them your room so that they can get your stuff for you. And don't worry, almost every 2 months, 1 month, I'm in London. I will come. When I come to London, I will bring it for you. So he did exactly that and called me back and told me that they said they have found it. It's in the lobby for him. I said, don't worry. So that was it. My sister-in-law that was still in the hotel, I told her she should help me collect it. That one collected it for me. And that's the last that Lagata got in touch with me. So I bet he's just waiting that anytime I'm in London or I'm coming to that, I will call him, Abi, so that he can pick up or take his stuff. And I remember when he came to this house, my husband was the one that brought him from the hotel. We were all sitting on the round table having a discussion of justice for Mohbad. I told him some things. He asked me, sis, Yeye, he said, Yeye, what do you think about this justice for Mohbad? I said, do you really think there's going to be justice for Mohbad with all these people in it? The people that are in this justice for Mohbad, they are not going to allow justice for Mohbad to materialize. He said, really? I think that I didn't say more than that. You know, I said, there must be justice for Mohbad. There must be justice for him. Okay. Only for me, I will be sitting back and I'll be looking. Because I have studied a lot of people that are saying that they are doing this justice for Mohbad. Be it Team Wumi, be it justice for Mohbad. Everybody has ulterior motive. They are using it to settle scores and their personal vendetta. And that is what is happening to Lagata. I wish it's my blood that I can advise him. But I can only tell him my own mind. You have a mind of your own. Go ahead and live your life. So, I hope people will get it to that point.
Justice for Mohbad.
So when I called him, he didn't pick. I was just looking.
Wọ́n máa pàpà lè rí ìdájọ́ fún Mohbad pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn tó ti ẹnubọ ọ̀rọ̀ justice for Mohbad.
He called me back.
Tí wọ́n láwọn wá ìdájọ́ fún Mohbad.
I wonder why he cut it. The next thing, I saw a picture coming. He showed me the football where he was. He took his son to, they had a match. So he now wrote and said he will call me as soon as he leaves where he is. I've also been privy to speak to his son. When he came, he made sure that I spoke to that his son. You understand? So I know him, but I'm going to get to why I'm mentioning that. Now, Lagata then messaged me in the evening. Sadly, it was the period I was about to come out for my chat. And well, do I have the opportunity? Am I free to talk to him? I didn't respond. So after my chat, I remembered Lagata. I called him yesterday night. I said, hello, Lagata. What's happening? Why is your name trending for the bad reason? For a reason I do not like to associate with such person. Why is your name trending for a bad reason? He now said, Yeye, do I allow people to so that he can say everything? I said, number one, the question I want to know, do you have people's ego that you are using to blackmail them? He said, the question I should ask him is that if he has people's EO, definitely people will have his own. I should please tell people to bring out his own EO. And the people that have sent their EO to him, they should come out.
Àlàyé lẹ ti gbọ́ lẹ́nu Yeye Kudi pẹ̀lú gbogbo èyí tí Yeye Kudi sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn tó ń fọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad pawó tí wọ́n fi ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad ṣẹ́tùjà tí wọ́n fi ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad polongo ara wọn àti ìgbésẹ̀ táwọn kan ń gbé pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn nǹkan yìí. Ṣé ẹ rò pé justice for Mohbad ṣùọ̀ ṣá pẹ̀lú gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó ti lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad? Kí lè ròyìn pẹ̀lú gbogbo èyí tí Yeye Kudi sọ? Ẹ drop comment yín. Remember to like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching.